In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a take in Reaper. Now to do this, first you want to make sure all your takes are showing. So go to Options up top, and then from here you want to click on Show All Takes When Room. So as you can see here, I now have these two takes, but of course a keyboard shortcut by default is Ctrl+L, so we can just press this, and of course it's going to show you all the takes inside here, okay? Now when you have all the takes, you could just click on one of these, and if you try and click on the delete button on your keyboard, it's actually going to delete everything. So that's not exactly what we want here. What you want to do instead is what I'm going to show you right now. So you want to press a very specific keyboard combo, and that's going to be Shift plus question mark on your keyboard, okay? So Shift and question mark to actually open these actions, or you could also go to Actions up top and click on Show Action List, okay? And that's going to essentially pull up these actions. Now inside actions, what you want to type in is take and then colon and then delete, okay? So just like this, make sure there is a space in between there, otherwise it's not going to work. And what you want to do here is make sure your take is selected, the one you want to delete, for example this bottom one, and then you want to click on take, delete active take from items, and then you want to click on run. When you do this, as you can see, it's going to delete your take from your, of course, audio in here, okay, which is quite nice. You could go and also key map this to, of course, put on a shortcut, but I'm just going to do it like that for now. So delete this, click on run, and it's going to get deleted, of course, the one that's currently selected. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.